Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile using VisualCV resume import easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To update your LinkedIn profile using VisualCV resume import, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Next, click on the Add Profile section button located near the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Featured to showcase your resume prominently. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to the VisualCV website. Log into your VisualCV account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, locate the resume you want to import. On the top right corner of your VisualCV dashboard, click on the Export button. Choose the LinkedIn option from the Export menu. VisualCV will prompt you to connect your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Allow the necessary permissions for VisualCV to access your LinkedIn profile. Once connected, you'll see options to adjust which sections to import. Make adjustments as needed to ensure the information is accurate and comprehensive. After confirming the sections to import, click on the Import button. Wait a moment for VisualCV to import your resume data into your LinkedIn profile. After the process is complete, return to your LinkedIn profile to review the updates. Edit any sections as necessary to ensure everything aligns with your personal style. Finally, consider adding a personalized summary or message to further enhance your profile. Now, your LinkedIn profile is updated and ready to attract new opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.